Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about method invocation in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, a method is invoked or called by using the name of the object or class followed by the dot operator and the name of the method. If the method takes in any input parameters, they are passed within the parenthesis following the method name. Here is an example of how to invoke a method in Java. In this example, the object my dog is created and its fields breed, age and color are accessed and assigned values. Then the object's methods bark and get age are called by using the dot operator on the object my dog. The first method call mydog.bark doesn't take any parameters and it doesn't return any value. The second method called getAge returns the age of the dog and store it in the variable dogAge. Finally, the age of the dog is printed by using the printline statement. It is worth mentioning that static methods are invoked by using the class name followed by the dot operator instead of an object. For example, math.absolute will invoke the static method absolute on math class. In summary, a method name in Java is invoked or called by using the name of the object or class followed by the dot operator and the name of the method. If the method takes in any input parameters, they are passed within the parenthesis following the method name. In the given example, the object myDog is created and its methods bark and getAge are called using the dot operator. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.